Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Stay with Rizwan. Today we are driving into something truly exciting happening right here in Jeddah, the Jeddah Art Islamic Biennale. This is a unique event that brings together some of the most amazing contemporary Islamic art from around the world. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This is happening here in Jeddah Hajj Terminal from Ministry of Culture. I visited here last year too. It was very beautiful and amazing experience. While driving through this event, you can see what beautiful entrance over here, and you can get a signboard to reach this place very easily. It is a Hajj terminal. You can easily search in Google Map also. So very huge parking also available, so no need to worry about the parking. There is a VIP parking and there is a normal parking. To visit this Jeddah Art Islamic Biennale, no need to purchase any ticket. It needs just a booking or registration. You can get easily website on Google. Location I will share in the description box. So we are here and we can get inside now. So what exactly is in this Jeddah Islamic Art Biennale? Let's start from the zone 1, which is called Al Bidaya. It means the beginning. Let's get inside. The entrance of Al Bidaya zone, we saw these beautiful stairs. These stairs was using to get inside the Kaaba, because Kaaba gate is a little bit height and nobody can go easily. So these was the stairs using to get inside the Kaaba, and you can see what a beautiful stairs are these. Here in Al Bidaya zone, you can get also this information of Qurans, like traditional chain from all over the world. They have kept it here, China, Iraq, Iran versions, and they were very beautiful. And you can also pause and read this information. You can also see Mizab-e-Rahmat here in this place. Mizab-e-Rahmat is gold spot on the roof of Holy Kaaba, where rainwater falls into Hatim. We headed inside this zone. We have saw amazing cloth of Kaaba, which is also known as Kiswa. This cloth covers the Kaaba, the sacred building of Mecca. This cloth is made of high quality silk and is embroidered with gold and silver threads. The kiswa is replaced every year during the annual Hajj time. The cloth is decorated with verses from the Quran, and it is a symbol of respect and reverence for the Kaaba. I'm so thankful Jeddah Art Islamic Biennale. They have bring all this kiswa, a cloth of Kaaba, in this one place. I see here many visitors from Western countries and South Asian countries to take an experience of this amazing art Islamic Biennale. I believe those who can't get inside to the holy cities of Makkah and Medina due to religious restrictions, they can come to this Jeddah Islamic Art Biennale and they can explore the history of holy cities Makkah and Medina. We are here in zone 2, which is Al Madar. It means the orbit. I believe here we can get information regarding the planets, stars, moon, and calendars. Let's get inside. Same zone, we have also seen this kind of unique antiques, swords, and historical currency or coins. Let's see and explore this zone as well. Continue to our journey in Islamic Art Binale. We have came now to Al Mukhtani. It means the collection or collector. Let's get inside and see what we are going to explore here. Finally, we came out after completion of all the zones. So now you can see after completion of all the zones, we came outside of this open area where you can find restaurants and cafe shops. After completion of inside zones, we have seen this outside zones are there, and they have made some kind of art here. Let's get inside and explore this. Seems like this is a big boat with some kind of art and feeling vibration at this place. Seriously, I don't know what exactly this means, but those who have knowledge about the art, they can understand easily. Here outside, you will also find Ka Mukarrama and Al Munawwara zone. Might inside we can explore more. Here at our final zone, let me show you something truly unique. This incredible mosque building made entirely from palm tree leaves. This tradition architecture marvel was commonly found in Arabian countries, and you can see these threads. This made up of palm tree leaves, which is very unique. Tree leaves were used for everything from roofing to walls, offering both durability and a cool, comfortable environment, even in scorching desert heat. So let's get inside. I'll show you inside view of mosque. These carpets you can see on the floor, it is made up of palm tree leaves, which is very durable and very beautiful. See how it looks like. The atmosphere is just so peaceful and calming, with the leaves helping to regulate the temperature, keeping it nice and cool no matter the weather outside. So guys, that's it for today at Jeddah Islamic Art Binale. I hope you like and enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Leave any thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.